Oh, hi there, everyone. I'm your girl, Norleen. It's a whimsical Wednesday, and I have another quick fix meal for you.
So as you've seen from the video title, I'm doing potato pockets. So I have washed, drained, and seasoned my ground turkey. I've seasoned with Creole season, black pepper, garlic salt, and all-purpose season, and some blended season, guys. I'm gonna toss this in and put this to marinate overnight. So, guys, it's a Wednesday. I've just got in from work. I'm exhausted and I'm trying to get in and out of the kitchen in half an hour because, frankly, guys, I have another appointment in the next hour. So, guys, I'm peeling my potato, wash them, dice them, and I place them in the pot. I'm using the large part of the grater to shred the onions. I've diced my tomato, chopped them finely as a matter of fact, and I've diced some of them. I have green pepper and yellow bell pepper, and I am chopped them finely. I have some scotch bonnet pepper, 2 tablespoons of butter, 2 egg white, guys, and I am ready to take on today. So, guys, follow me in the kitchen. Let's do this potato pocket Jamaican style. Remember, like this video. Give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. Yeah, people, the red word when you subscribe, just click on it. Guys, remember, share this channel with your friends and tell them too to subscribe. Also, tell them our food we are prepared. Come get your share. You can only get it if you subscribe to this channel. Guys, leave your comment in the section below. Turn on your post notification bell so as soon as I upload a video, you will be notified. So guys, let's get this going. In the pot, I put my 2 tablespoons of margarine. I just want this to melt. I don't want to lose the flavor of the margarine. So I'm going to put in this the ground turkey. Guys, I'm just going to use my spoon to break it apart because I do not want my ground turkey to cook in lumps. Guys,
Okay, so I've
if only
added the
you could
ground
smell this
turkey
buttery
to
flavor
the
already.
butter,
I
guys.
know that you're gonna try this next time you're in your kitchen. Trust me. So the potato is on the stove and they're cooking in the meantime while I am doing this. This will take about 7 to 10 minutes to cook, people. So I'm just gonna allow it, break it up in smaller pieces, and cover it to cook for about anywhere between 7 to 10 minutes. Now, guys, while this is going on, I'm gonna add to that my seasoning. People, look on it, all the chopped season. I'm gonna add this to it, and I'm just going to stir it in, cover it again, and leave it for 3 minutes just to simmer so the flavors from the onions and the garlic and the peppers will add additional flavor to the ground turkey. Guys, I just add half a tablespoon of blended season, and I'm just going to turn off the flame and allow the heat from the burner to finish cooking this. Now, guys, do not worry about the extra juice and sauces you see in the ground turkey because I'm going to spoon this and use it in the mashed potato when I get to it. So, guys, the mashed potato is just about cooked, and I'm going to drain it and then place it in a bowl. Now, guys, I'm going to remove the sauce, as I said before, from the ground turkey. I'm going to use about 3 tablespoons into the potato, and then I'm going to mash it so I get a nice creamy smooth mashed potato. So guys, I'm gonna spoon half of the mashed potato onto a grease paper. I'm gonna put some fresh tomatoes and peppers onto this, and then I'm going to roll it into a ball. Now guys, in order for it not to stick, I'm going to add flour to the outside, and I'm going to roll it out onto the baking tray. I'm going to repeat the process, guys, and I'm just going to add a second one, the next half, to make another potato pocket. I'm sealing the edges, guys. Flour it so it does not stick, and again put it on the baking tray. So guys, I'm gonna wash this with egg wash, then place it in the oven at 375 degrees to bake for 10 minutes, then put it on broil for 2 minutes. And guys, this is the beautiful potato pockets that I have. Now guys, I'm just gonna cut it for you to see the inside, and this looks awesome. It's another of my favorite, from my pot, my kitchen, onto my daughter's table. Now guys, I'm gonna be real with you. The cheese was meant to be inside the pocket, but I completely forgot about it. But you guys know you just gotta make it work in the kitchen. So I made a cheese sauce instead, and it works perfectly well with the meal. Also, guys, the crust looks beautiful, and I am sure this will be another highlight on your dinner table. The food for thought comes to you today from Acts 20, verse 24. My only aim is to finish the race and complete the task the Lord Jesus has given me, the task of testifying to the good news of God's grace.